you need someone behind you, you need someone to help you. And that's the most important thing that you have, I think, comparing to others. The great and wonderful service that you have online, people behind the screen is just wonderful. They're always willing to help. They're always polite. They're always trying to resolve your problem. I had connection problems. I had configurations like settings, like the platform sometimes, or sometimes you forgot to make a right click on the right setting window. I mean, you can name it. They are always there 24 hours, 7 hours, 7 days a week. It's just wonderful at any time. Man, it's the best that I can have with you.